The sand can reach a scorching 70 centigrade. The ants' long legs raise their bodies above the surface, where it's 10 degrees cooler. Foraging decisions must be fast. Too big? Perfect. Back to the nest before they also die. But they've strayed into a minefield. Each of these strange, cone-shaped pits is a death trap, with a brutal predator at its centre. Here lie Antlion larvae, tiny ambush predators with venom-filled pincers. Some ants manage to escape, but the antlion has other tricks. Flinging sand into the air, it creates an avalanche. As boulders rain from the sky, escape seems almost impossible. Phew! At last, a decent prize. But carrying it off is another matter. The race is on to dismember the prey without getting heat-stroke themselves. Another trap. A silken snare. A Spoor spider has spun a sticky cloak of sand and hides in the cool beneath. Reeled in, escape is impossible. By late afternoon, the troops face one last problem. Finally home, and with enough food for the whole colony.